All right, so now lesson 9, the review problem, is telling us to rotate this figure 270 degrees clockwise. So let's label our quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's get our ordered pairs in there. For E, it's at 0, -5, F, 5, -2, G, 2, -1, and H, 1, 1, -1. Okay, so if I'm moving 270 degrees, I'm moving three quadrants. I'm going clockwise. That is this direction. So this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. It's going to end up in quadrant 1. So all of my signs are positive. Quadrant 1, X and Y are positive. Now for 270, everything switches. So instead of 0, 5, it's 5, 0. Signs are positive. Instead of 5, 2, it's 2, 5. Signs are positive. Instead of 2, 1, it's 1, 2. Signs are positive. And 1, 1 remains 1, 1, but the signs are positive. So now I graph it. Let me erase this little point so it's not in the way. All right, so now we put it on the graph. So 5, 0, E prime, 2, 5, F prime, 1, 2, and 1, 1. So the shape is now here, facing this direction. You're ready for your exit ticket. The next page is for you to show work. And then the other 3 questions, you don't really need to show work for. You just need to make sure you're using your notes.